Hi guys, so let's do a what's in my bag. Fit the Maren J Bready bag. As you can see, pa-dumpling style yung bag. And first, sinabit ko lang yung aking AirPods dito and yung AirTag. And for the main compartment, first, of course, hindi mawala yung aking Osmo Pocket 3. Ito yung pinaka-favorite camera ko sa lahat. Next is my phone. Ang dami nagtatanong sa inyo ng phone case na to. This one is from Otterbox. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng sticker. Tapos, next is my wallet. Kahit maliit yung bag ko, long wallet talaga dala-dala ko. Next is my liquid lipstick and lip tint. This one is from Kiko Milano, the 103 and Baron Bliss lip tint. Tapos, pressed powder from Baron Bliss. Next naman, yung aking DJI Mic 2. Ito, sobrang favorite ko tong mic na to. And next is my power bank. This is a MagSafe power bank. Dito naman tayo sa